Welcome to our comparison of two high-performance desktop processors, the Intel Core i7-14700K and the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Intel Core i7-14700K boasts an impressive 20 cores and 28 threads, making it an excellent choice for multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D offers 8 cores and 16 threads. While the Ryzen 7 is still powerful, the Intel processor's higher core count provides a significant advantage for users who require heavy multitasking capabilities, such as content creators and gamers who run multiple applications simultaneously. When it comes to cache size, the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D takes the lead with a massive 96 MB L3 cache, which significantly enhances its gaming performance. The Intel Core i7-14700K, while still impressive with a 36 MB cache, cannot match the sheer size of the Ryzen's cache. This larger cache allows the Ryzen processor to handle more data at once, making it particularly advantageous for gaming scenarios where quick data access is crucial. In terms of memory support, the Intel Core i7-14700K is versatile, supporting both DDR4 and DDR5 memory, which provides users with more options for building their systems. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D only supports DDR5 memory. While DDR5 offers improved performance, the lack of DDR4 support may limit options for users looking to upgrade existing systems without replacing their RAM. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-14700K and AMD Ryzen 79800X3D are exceptional processors tailored for high-performance computing. If you prioritize multitasking and versatility in memory support, the Intel processor is a solid choice. However, if gaming performance is your primary focus, the Ryzen's larger cache may provide the edge you need. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.